slow run, but as you can tell, it still kind of looks like autumn here. Lots of brown trees, and so yeah, autumn actually comes quite late in Japan, and the trees become red and orange late November or beginning of December. So yeah, that's what December looks like in Japan. What I was showing you earlier is my favourite Japanese garden. You can see a glimpse of it here. I don't know if I'm going to go in there today because you still have to pay, but I'll eventually show you one day. Why, but just this with trees reminds me of France, reminds me of the French countryside. It reminds me of home. Just made some French macarons. Look at that. Could do better, but still pretty good. These are my nails, by the way. Made them. The little bow here, and on the other hand, have what did I have? Oh yeah, oh, sorry about that. Christmas hat. Hello, it's December 22nd. And today we're going to see Lucien's granddad, and we're also going to see family friends in the evening. We're not going to spend Christmas with them, Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. Usually in Japan we spend Christmas with friends or just with your partner, and then you spend New Year's Eve with family. So that's what we're going to do. Either New Year's Eve or New Year's Day we're going to be with family, and yeah, I'm going to see a few friends or people I know this week. We're still going to give some of our family friends little presents today because we're not going to see them on Christmas, and I don't think we're going to see them on New Year's Eve either. I'll show you what we got, where we got them and made them. So first of all, we made these little coasters for our family friends. We made them ourselves with crochet, and I did also make this little Christmas stocking for a family friend, and also I got hand cream for her, which is Nuxe. It's a brand that I really like. It's a French brand. And I also made them macarons, and yeah, look at them. They're not very pretty, I'll admit, but I did learn a new technique that I'll try and do next time, because these are a bit ugly. Hopefully next time they're a bit smoother and a bit prettier. We're also probably going to go to a new shopping centre this afternoon, because we're in Kobe today, and then we're going to be in Amagasaki tonight. And in Kobe there's a huge shopping centre that my boyfriend used to go to. They made a lot of work on it and now it's brand new, so we're going to go and check that out.
Christmas tree みたいにしてるね、面白い。
We're just going to try and find a futon, because me and Lisa are going to stay at Lisa's audition with granddad for New Year's Day. So we need to get a futon, little mattress. So we're in Nitori. which is a bit like IKEA but the Japanese version. They do have IKEA in Japan, but I've always wanted to go to Nitori. So here we are. My dream. Anyway, let's go. I just got back from Shinsekai and Tennoji and I went back to the Tennoji Christmas market and they have these cute little biscuits that are really well decorated. They're so cute. I really wanted a star for our tree and I couldn't find a star, so I've got a, a star biscuit. It kind of works. And then I got this little pickup truck for Lulu. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put it in the Christmas tree and we have all of our little presents. That's it.